Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Lori Langdon. I'm a board certified pediatrician and a fellow of the American Academy of Pediatrics. I'm also a mother to 6 children and a grandmother to 2 children. And I am very excited today to report to you that first the FDA approved and recommended 2 different brand products for immunization against COVID-19 for children ages 6 months to 4 years. And then on June 17th and 18th, the Advisory Committee for Immunization Practices also recommended to the CDC, and the CDC approved these same 2 products. So I want to let you know why I am so excited and why the American Academy of Pediatrics is so very excited and wholeheartedly endorses this vaccine. Let me tell you. First of all, let's discuss the impact of COVID on children altogether. So this includes everyone under 18 years of age. There have been, to date, greater than 13 million cases. Even in 2022, already 5 million cases. And we know now that the over-the-counter rapid antigen COVID tests are so popular and wonderful. I'm encouraging them, not discouraging them. But we estimate that many more positives have occurred. We just don't have a way to record or report those. The CDC, in fact, studied through some antibody testing and guesstimates that 3/4 of children have already experienced COVID-19 infections at least once. So part of why we're so excited about a vaccine to protect against this is because, there are like 18 million children from 6 months to 4 years who will now be eligible that weren't before, and children under 2 are often unable, and it's not even recommended to wear a mask. So these parents of infants and toddlers and younger children have really been stressed out these last 2 years of the pandemic. They're exhausted from making decisions about what is safe or not, exhausted of trying to figure out where they can go and what they should do. And this offers one more layer of protection, and we're all about layering protection for the children against COVID-19. Let's talk more specifically about children under the age of 5. They've had at least, how many cases? 30,000 infected for sure that we know. We know there have been over 500 deaths. We know that they are also at risk for multi-system inflammatory syndrome of children. That's terrifying. Now, in all age groups, there have been over 8,000 cases of this, and out of those, 68 have resulted in death. Now, we know that vaccines can protect children against multi-system inflammatory syndrome of children, and in one study, it was found to be 91% effective at reducing the risk of that. That study was in children 12 to 17 years old. So I hope you understand our excitement is because these infants, toddlers, and young children are at risk, and you don't know. A lot of these cases of MIS-C were in children who weren't considered high-risk children. So it is going to be so nice to have some protection for these kids. Let me tell you a little bit about the 2 different products. One is Moderna. The Moderna dose is 1/4 of their adult dose, and it's given 1 month apart, so a 2-dose series. The Pfizer product is 1/10 of the adult dose, but it has 3 parts given over about an 11-week time period. I am excited also because I know that we're going to start getting doses this coming week, which is super exciting. The hospital system for which I work is supposed to be on one of the first waves of getting shipments out. So hopefully that's going to start very early this coming week. So I want to let you know that I am very encouraged by this development. I do believe in the safety of this product. There were no safety concerns when the FDA and CDC reviewed all of the data from Moderna and Pfizer. So I want to let you know, if your child is one of my patients, I would strongly encourage you to consider getting this vaccine. Talk to your pediatrician if you're not sure or you have concerns. And I think I join all pediatricians in America when I say, please get everyone in your family vaccinated. Even the older children, we have a long ways to go. At least 23 million 5 to 17-year-olds have had a 2-dose series of their COVID vaccine, but 26 million have had no doses at all. So please get your children vaccinated. Remember that everyone 5 and older is encouraged to get a booster dose now, which you can get 5 months after the 2nd dose of that primary series. And if your child is currently infected with COVID-19, they can still get the vaccine once they're 10 days past symptoms, as long as their symptoms have resolved. You may also choose to wait the 2 to 3 month period after the infection, sort of during that golden period when they should have enough natural immunity to protect them. I hope this has helped you guys with some questions you may have had about Moderna and Pfizer and this new indication. Please feel my excitement and my wholehearted endorsement. And if you have additional questions, let me know. You can ask them through YouTube videos or anything like that, or send me messages for additional questions or ideas for videos. Please like, subscribe, and if you haven't, share it with your friends and tell them about it. Thank you so much.